Good morning, students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Myself, Vinod Trivedi. Today, we are going to discuss in grammar section editing. Students, editing or correction. What you supposed to keep in your mind, student? You have to recall whatever grammar you have learnt in class 3rd to till 9. Okay, whatever topics you have learned, you have to try to recall them. Actually, over here many different kind of topic can be asked. Suppose I am giving some examples: verb, adverb, adjective, noun, pronoun, preposition, and many more. So as you can recall the previous grammar topics you have learnt, okay, so it is very easy for you for correction error. See one example I have given over here. You can see in first line, many people says that the success knocks. Okay, now you can see many people. Okay, it is plural, so we cannot put s or es at the end of the verb. Okay, so what is needed? Many people say that the success knocks. So error is says, and you have to correct it, and you have to write down say instead of says. Then next, are door only once but. So over here error is door. Okay, it should be doors. Okay, so instead of door you have to write down doors. Achievement says that one should forever continue. Okay, so achievement, okay, this is not living and it cannot speak. Okay, so instead of achievement, achievers is needed. Okay, so actually what is right? Achiever says that one should forever continue. Okay, then next, student, to knocks the door of success. So we can say it is seen by us also. To knocks, it is impossible. Okay, to is infinitive, so we cannot put s or es or anything else at the end of the verb or anything. Okay, it is infinitive, so base form is needed or infinitive is there. So that is why what is needed over here? Only knock, to knock the door of success. So a correction is also given and error is also given. So by this way you have to utilize your logic and you have to show your knowledge about the grammar. Okay, now students, let us see second example. One day a wonderful plate full of in gold. So over here error is a. Instead of what is needed? Correction, the is given. Okay, the is needed instead of a. Okay, one day the wonderful plate full in gold. Okay, particular thing has been described over here, so that is why the article is needed. Then fell from heaven into a courtyard of. So over here there is no correction is needed. Then a temple at Bindras. So on now, instead of that is needed. That on the plate. Okay, connective that is needed over here. Then so on the plate these words were inscribed. Okay, only inscribe is given. Now this is a passive form. Okay, these words were inscribed. So what is needed over here? Inscribed instead of inscribed. Then next, a gift from heaven to he. No, a gift from heaven to him. Okay, object form is needed over here, but subject form has been given, so that is why it is a wrong. Okay, what is needed? Him. a gift from heaven to him who loves better. The priest at once. Okay, this line you clear it very well. The priest at once made a announcement that every day at noon all which would like to claim the plate should come. So see, a gift from heaven to him who loves, okay, who loves best. Okay, there is indication of only one. Okay, so that is why what is needed? Best, not better. If a comparison between two is there, then we can say, but over here there is only one thing has been given. That is why what is needed? Superlative degree. The priest at once made an announcement. Okay, so actually what is needed? Announcement. So n is needed. Article A is wrong. N is needed. Every day at noon all which would, okay, which no, who, okay, priest, they are human beings, and for human being we are using who. Okay, for animal or for things we can use which. Like to claimed the plate should come. Okay, so again there is one mistake is over here. Okay, like to claimed, okay, infinitive is there. So whenever you see infinitive, infinitive का मतलब ये होता है बच्चों टू वाला वर्ब. तो टू वाला वर्ब उसके पीछे एस और ईएस और ईडी जैसा लगता नहीं है, बेस वर्ब रहता है. सो टू क्लेम्ड. सो व्हाट इज ओवर हियर? ओनली क्लेम इज नीडेड. ओके, सपोज यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दी exercise in your grammar notebook. Okay student, see one other example of editing or error correction. People always take pity on ready. Okay, so you can see over here the sentence totally, the sentence is in a, what say, past tense. Okay, so instead of take we have to utilize took. People always took pity on ready, because the whole the thing in a past tense. He was a victim on an acid attack. Okay, so what is needed actually? You can see over here, victim of an acid attack. Then next, he was very young. Hardly it is needed. Hardly 11. Okay, उसकी एज hardly 11 थी, years old. People will is not, because it is a past form. So what is needed over here? Would. People would say. Okay, what will he do in life? Then what is go to know? What is going? Okay, what is MR is there, so ing form is needed. What is going to happen to him when we are gone? Okay, if had is there, so what is had been is needed otherwise. Okay, so instead of had, what we have to utilize? Are. Students, so by this way you have to write down the things in your notebook. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. And one other thing is this, I have given chapter wise, okay, which lessons will be asked in your this exam. So I have given, so make sure read it properly, learn well. Okay, chapter number 5, lesson number 5 has been omitted from your syllabus, so you have to learn it. It means I will send you video of lesson number 6 also. Okay, so you have to learn this one also. फिर से बता रहा हूँ, चैप्टर नंबर जो 5 है आपका टेक्स्ट बुक में, हनीकॉम, तो उसमें से चैप्टर नंबर 5 निकल गया है और उसकी जगह पे चैप्टर नंबर 6 को हमको पढ़ने का है। ओके, इसलिए टोटल 5 लेसन आएंगे और 3 पोएम्स आएगी। तो प्रिपरेशन उसके हिसाब से रखनी है, बराबर। टोटल 5 लेसन, पर 5 कौन से, 5 नहीं आएगा, उसकी जगह पे 6 आएगा। ओके, और 3 जो पोएम्स है वो तो है ही, बराबर। फिर भी इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, ओके, यू कैन सेंड मी मैसेज ऑन माई पर्सनल नंबर। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।